Napuntahan niyo na ba yung bagong Green Hills Mall?
Nakakatuwa kasi tapos na pala yung construction dito kaya may connecting na sa Unimart, Shopsville, and Vera Mall. Marami pang close na shops pero marami-rami na ring open na restaurants. Pero naman ang family ko, leching pa rin ang crave that day. Favorite ng son ko itong pork spare ribs ng leching. Ito daw ang best spare ribs for him. Ako naman ang favorite ko dito is the beef brisket noodle soup. Gusto ko kasing soup nito, hindi masyadong oily, at ang sarap lang talaga nung lasa ng beef brisket na sabaw. The beef was super tender too, at favorite ko dito yung Hong Kong style noodles. Thin egg noodles na bouncy and chewy. Kahit ilang beses pa namin nasubukan na itong leching, paulit-ulit namin binabalikan. Kahit na luma na yung restaurant nila, masarap pa rin yung food. But magkakaroon sila ng bagong pwesto sa New Green Hills Mall, but yung kitchen nila is same location pa rin daw. Sarap nga pala yung chili garlic oil dito, bagay na bagay sa mga dim sums and beef. Order naman ng husband ko is this beef brisket rice. Same taste and quality ng beef dun sa previous dish, but this one is over rice and I prefer the noodle soup. Sa daughter ko naman is this classic wonton noodle soup. Sarap din yung broth nito, malinis, hindi masyadong salty. Ang sarap din ng wontons nito, meaty and bouncy. Pagdating sa siopaw, team asado ka ba o team bola-bola? Ako kasi yung bola-bola and gusto ko yung nilalagyan ng hot sauce. Yung tinapay nito is siksik and yung tipong dumidikit sa loob ng bibig mo habang kinakain mo. Tapos yung loob niya is a big chunk of delicious and meaty bola-bola. Kami ng son ko, team bola-bola kami. While my daughter and husband gusto daw nila ang asado. Kayo ba, nakapag-leching na rin ba kayo?